Okay, here we go. The Delta variant's high transmission rate is putting our unvaccinated children at risk. That's according to hospital data. As children throughout the Brazos Valley continue to prepare for in-person classes, the big question is, what can parents do to keep their kids healthy? KAGS reporter Jordan Adams has your answers.
Vaccines are effective against Delta and provide powerful protection against severe disease and death, but children under 12 are not yet eligible for them. So as more and more adults get vaccinated, children make up an increasing share of COVID cases.
We have noticed that with a few of our cases that are Delta, they attended youth camps over the summer. In fact, that is a large proportion of our child age cases right now.
Between July 22nd and July 29th, children accounted for 19% of reported new cases. That's 72,000 new cases, according to the American Academy of Pediatrics. Parrish says the Delta variant spreads quickly in families, offices, and any places indoors and close quarters. In a hearing today in Austin, the Senate Committee on Health and Human Services heard from hospital personnel.
Well, our recommendation is that individuals take every precaution that they deem to be beneficial. And again, I would go back to pointing out those non-pharmaceutical interventions, those the masking, the distancing, all of those, they absolutely work.
Down the hall, the Senate Education Committee took up a bill to fund virtual learning. That bill passed and will now head to the full Senate. However, the controversy over the lack of mask mandates continues in the Lone Star State. Both Dallas and Houston ISD have implemented a mask mandate for their students this fall, while San Antonio is suing Governor Abbott over his executive order barring mask mandates back in the spring.
So, with those younger children, really enforce parents the importance of wearing a mask. Not only does it keep the child safe, but it keeps the teachers, staff, and the entire family well as well.
Governor Abbott's press secretary Renee Eze released a statement saying that violating the governor's executive order is not the way to protect Texas children. Reporting from the Brazos Valley, Jordan Adams, KAGS News.
Thank you, Jordan. There are currently over 670 active cases in the Brazos Valley of COVID-19. Over 105 of those are new cases.